When you are buying products or supplies for your business, you don't always pay for them on day one. Sometimes, you need to send an official document to your vendor that says, "I want to order these specific items at these agreed-upon prices." That document is a purchase order, or a PO. It helps you track what you ordered versus what actually gets delivered, and it doesn't affect your accounting numbers until the vendor actually bills you. Let's look at how to set one up. Before we even try to create one, we have to make sure the feature is actually turned on. QuickBooks often has this turned off by default. Head up to your gear icon in the top right, and click on Account and Settings. Look at your left-hand menu and click the Expenses tab. Right there at the top, you will see a section for purchase orders. Make sure it's turned on. Now let's build the actual order. Head over to your Master Plus Create button in the top left corner. Look under the Vendors column, and click on Purchase Order. Once the form opens, start at the top left. Select your vendor from the drop-down. Right below that, you'll see the purchase order status. It defaults to Open, which is exactly what you want when creating a new order. Next, double-check your shipping address. If you have multiple locations or want it drop-shipped to a customer, you can change that here. Finally, verify the purchase order date and set a due date so you know exactly when to expect the delivery. As you scroll down, you will notice two different sections: Category Details and Item Details. If you are ordering specific products that you track in your inventory, you absolutely must use the Item Details section. Use the drop-down to select the exact products you are ordering, type in the quantity, and verify the rate. QuickBooks will calculate the total for you. Once your item list looks perfect, look down at the bottom right corner. Click Save and Send. QuickBooks will pull up an email preview where you can add a quick note to your vendor. Hit Send, and your order is officially placed and tracked in your system. If this quick guide helped you take control of your ordering process, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.